Hi friends, so this video use how to use like in MongoDB query. So like we can use in three different ways. The first one is like this: start and end with any letters. Then second one is end with any letters, and last one is start with any letters. So these are the three different ways of using like. So I will show you how we can use these three ways in MongoDB. So let me go to Mongo shell and show DBs, and I'm going to use the DB media DB. Then show collections. So that DB has one collection called media. So you can see that collection has 29,000 documents. So I have printed two documents from that collection. So you can see the fields. It has city field, LOC, pop and state. So I am going to use this like in the city field. Okay. So let me show you the first option. The first way of using the like, this one. So this one we can use it like this: db.media.find city. I'm going to find the all the documents from this media collection which has city, uh, which has a city name as the word had. And just listing all the document which has had in the city name. So let me execute it. You can see it has printed this many documents. So this is a one way of using it. So let me show you another option. So this is another way of doing the like, this type of like. So here I am using regex. You can see the regex, and the pattern you can see here I am using dot star. This is a different. So here I am using this regex with the dot star and dot star in the start and end, and here actually I am just using the slash, but both will give the same result. So let me execute it. You can see both printed the same result. Okay, so now let me move to the second type of like. So end with any letters, but it should start with had. So first I am going to show you without regex. So this is the without regex. You can see the difference here. Let me execute it. See, it just printed 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 documents it just printed. So let me show you the another option with the regex. The same thing, same type of like with the regex. Okay, see, it also printed 10 documents. So these two are same. This and this both are same. Okay, now let me move the third way of using the like. Here, start with any letters, but it should end with had. So first method without using regex is not printed anything. So let me use some valid word. So I'm going to change it. Let me print something like everything ending with ley. Okay, so that way we can see the result. Okay, so cities ending with ley. You can see all the cities ending with ley. Let me show you how we can do the same thing with regex. So with regex we can use it like this: dot star, then dollar sign. Let me execute it. See the same number of documents. So all these documents which are city ending with ley. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment. So if you want to count the documents, number of documents, you can just put count here. See 373 documents. Then this also should give the same count. See 373.